up, my man?
Right now, Flip is training his camera guy. They're recording right there. How come they got a mic and you don't? You have a mic. You don't have the headphones?
I need a better mic.
Why don't you guys just put some oil in it? No oil in it. Why didn't you just put some oil in it?
Because we have to change the sensor.
So what? Why don't you do that thing that you showed last time, the vacuum?
I'm too lazy to do all that, bro.
What is that?
You literally put a vacuum at the top of the engine, and when you drop the oil pin, all the vacuum brushes holds the oil inside.
The oil inside. So you can tell the
Yo, you guys think I should do the entire S14 graffiti like we did?
Yeah. You.
It's not red.
That's a whole part. I won't do sections of it because
36.
Yeah, 36. E36.
They're coming on Monday.
you know what it is.
Henry's coming?
I think.
Oh shit! Looks like we're pulling another 5 a.m. nighter.
I think you should do pieces of it.
Do you know how crazy the E36 was literally a showstopper?
Honestly, I was getting a lot of people were seeing me in the street and like snapping pictures all over the page. And then on top of that, we're gonna throw the pearl and the fucking enclosed pearl and flakes right all on top of that.
Alright, fuck, we're go friends. Let's go.
You really got headphones on. How do you know I'm not talking loud enough?
Because I can hear you. Alright, let's go crazy.
Right? Let's get it.
I gotta get hood pins for my trunk though.
Okay, so we did that beat round, right? So then that means we gotta step it up a little bit. I don't know what, but you gotta figure it out.
I don't know if I had it here. I'm gonna actually go for you too, Mark. I'm sorry.
No, bro. Keep it chill.
So right now, they're setting up. Flip is about to come through and start sanding his own car right now. Put him to work.
Laptop that?
Oh shit! Get your ass close. Don't be scared, bro. I will clip you, bro. Alright, hold on, real quick.
I don't know, bro. You see some crazy
Shit. You don't think it's what I'm telling you, I know what to do.
Grown ass man, bro. Don't tell me what to do.
If you look at the back, all the chrome trim has a little piece of orange tape, and then with Sharpie you roll over and put down.
At the same time.
Oh, hello.
Yes, me. I don't know.
That was
Got a rubber mallet? Alright,
Hold on.
got it.
No, just need a rag because I feel like I'm slicing my finger open right now. Trying to push this.
Hey, what's up, Bob? Oh, that's nice.
See, bro? That's what I'm saying. Some crazy
look at
shit
this.
like that.
Look at the color.
Good job, man.
Look at the color.
Old school meth injection.
Oh, let me get the jacket.
Yo, hold on. I got you. Right now.
Oh, that's the.
I got
that's
you
like
right now.
$300.
Come inside, bro. What you talking about?
Alright, so Queen's Flip just came by the shop. Yo, hold on. Alright, so Queen's Flip just came by the shop. We wanted to check out the progress we were making with the car because there's always things I'm bullshitting. But came through, we checked it out. You guys are gonna see some behind the scene footage going forward of the work on the car. So just stay tuned and give us a follow.